This is not magic. It's professional analysis. A flawless triangle, a clear target, and the price hits exactly at that point. But how can we spot these opportunities and enter the trade before others? Welcome to Mohsen Trading. What is the philosophy of continuation patterns? The philosophy of continuation patterns, which are one of the classic pattern types, is similar to a climber. A climber can't just go straight up without rest throughout the entry climb. So, according to its movement, there must be a corresponding amount of rest along the way. The movement of the climber or impulse movement is the foundation of continuation patterns. After that, in the corrective phase or the climber rest phase, to gather more energy for the continuation of the path, we expect the triangle pattern to form at this stage. What is a triangle pattern? In an uptrend, after an impulse move, in the corrective phase, when a converging channel is formed with a minimum of 5 touches, it's expected that the previous move will continue with a breakout above the ceiling at point D, which acts as the entry trigger. The stop loss is set, and the minimum target is the size of the triangle base, while the normal target is modeled based on the previous move. In a downtrend, after completing at least 5 touches, a break of the support at point D will lead to the formation of a triangle pattern as shown in the diagram. Ideal versus non-ideal pattern. The most important principle in these patterns is being ideal. This means that the movement and correction must be proportional to each other, and the slope of the correction should be appropriate. As you can see, the following cases will be considered non-ideal due to the lack of proportionality. Triangle strategy. In the EDH-USD chart, on the 5 minutes time frame, after a bearish impulse move, the price entered a downward impulse within a converging channel. After exiting the channel and breaking the previous low, both the targets were hit beautifully. Important point. Starting with a momentum move, it cannot break its previous higher low since it is within a channel. It must have at least 5 proper touches. The triangle will be valid only after the formation of point E. In a triangle pattern, 2 targets are set. The minimum target, which equals the base of the triangle measured from the breakout point, and the normal target, which equals the previous momentum move measured from point E. The slope of the triangle sides is very important, especially the side used as the trigger. The impulse move and the correction must be proportional. Triangle patterns maintain their continuity 85% of the time and reach the target. Please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell as well.